Na ime county ya Nyamira gati yabarayigose abakori emeremo be sector bochenu anena abanyagitari nigo banyareko bakwena na obotenene bwe county ya Nyamira isyo mugabana Amos Nyaribo chiwikibere anyareko bagakwene kiabuno nyareko bategerera anene mechando bagendeza ko bagwetera ase obokoreri bwabo bwakira lituko ase sector yo bochenu ime county eyo ya Nyamira ise ya Omo Secretary General bwe kiombeki kya Kenya National Union of Nurses Sagia Rulia Nyamira Bernard Krosinigo atebire gatiye biriro abakori emereme ibanyareko bako bwatoka kuchia bisi yaye omugabana neriri banyareko bakora matuka mange bataranyara ko bagusukirwa ebirogo asobokoreri bwabo bwakira lituko ime county eyo gatiye anda mange buna omosaki oito anyarako bagotobekera roboti rwasenjira yobokirano job mangi kurwase county eyo ya Nyamira.
Solidarity forever, for the union makes us strong. Ogo chenchiwa ega sikorua ekarumonta mentira masomo. Nyamira tiana gokora yaganda misire yanyanyasire abanyakiombe baito toigweto borosana abari bairwe chiga basukiwe ngambana aria public service management tiyana kubasukia no babwata marube atabwati besa ngakiura menye
depressed and they are not offering services. They are in these offices bringing their claims, but disappointingly they have not been tackled. I want to say that the county government should look into this and they should stop deducting members these training levies, and with immediate effect they should receive their reimbursement. Thank you.
Tafanya na chenye tutafanya na members wetu ita affect health sector ya Nyamira. So we have given them 14 days. If they are not going to implement, we are going to talk with our members. They do